Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and you guys have seen me playing with this new Blackstone air fryer, and I am legit obsessed with it. So I figured one of my favorite things that I make in my oven is phyllo dough tarts. However I do them, when I do make a tart, every single layer is filled with garlic, because you guys know I love garlic. So this one is my garlicky ricotta tart. We're gonna start by removing the tray to the air fryer. This will be your guide of how to size your tart. You're gonna take one sheet at a time and fold it in half, lay it on top of the tray from the air fryer, and then we have a mixture of butter, olive oil, fresh garlic. You could use just butter, just olive oil. As long as you put some fresh garlic in there, it really will enhance every single bite of this tart. So we fold the sheets in half, and then we spread some of that garlicky butter or garlicky oil in between each folded half sheet and create layers with that. We're gonna just spread that cheesy ricotta mixture that we made, which I had left over from making raviolis. To that, we're gonna top it with some sliced fresh tomatoes. Tomatoes love salt, so we're just gonna put a little bit of salt, pepper, and some parsley right on top, and then a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now we want to fold carefully around the edges to kind of create a beautiful flaky, jagged, rustic looking edge. You don't want it to be perfect. I don't even use anything to wet it while I'm folding it because I want it to look rustic. Kind of like, you know, a rustic tart in Italy. To the top, I'm just adding a little bit of fresh garlic because I love garlic and you all know that. Then we're gonna pop it into the air fryer. I'm spraying it with just a little bit of the Blackstone griddle spray just to help toast everything up on the outside layer of the phyllo dough. Check on it every couple minutes. As soon as it's golden brown, pull it out of the Blackstone air fryer. Finish it off with some fresh basil, and you have yourself a gorgeous looking little lunch, dinner, or even breakfast. You could add a cracked egg to the top of this and make it breakfast. You can play with phyllo dough in the air fryer, making all different kinds of flavored tarts. You can fill it with different cheeses, different sauces. I love watching all of you guys creating so much magic with the new air fryer. It is so fun and really does cook so fast. So until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. For more recipes, don't forget to check us out on blackstoneproducts.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.